Step 1 in setting up the system's time and date is just need to right click on the area of time and date, which is on the lower right of your screen. Right click on that and click adjust date and time. For Windows 7, you just need to click the change date and time and change your date and time manually and press OK. Step 2 is setting up your computer's name and work group. For that, right-click on My PC or My Computer and select Properties. Select on Change Settings. Type in your computer's description and select Change. Type in your computer's name and work group. And select OK. After that, your computer will restart. Step 3 is installing or updating your network driver. For that, click on Control Panel, and for Windows 7, click on System and Security, and click on Device Manager. Click on your display adapters, and right-click on that and select Properties. Click on Driver and click on Update Driver. You can choose whether to search it automatically or browse your computer for driver software. Step 4 is configuring your network settings. First, locate the network adapter icon in the lower right part of the screen. Right-click on that and open Network and Sharing Center. Click on the Change Adapter Settings and select your active connection. Right-click on that and select Properties. Click on the TCP/IP version 4 and select Properties. Now you can assign your IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and Dianne. Select OK. Last step is testing your network. So type in CMD or your command prompt. You can either use ipconfig or ping. So here you can see our assigned IP v4 address, which is 192.168.16.32. Or you can also use ping space and your new IP address. That's it.